Hello, Chet Porter with MarineMax Savannah. I just want to take a minute and tell you about the 2021 215 XSF from Scout. So the boat's 21.5 feet overall, powered by 150 horsepower Yamaha outboard 4-stroke. So starting back here in the transom, we have a recirculating live well with a nice fiberglass lid. Then we have a transom vent sheet here that folds out. Really nice, comfortable, nice hardware. It's very sturdy. Folds back up if you're fishing, and access to your bilge pumps down here below, and it's lockable, so that's nice. And then moving forward, we have a powder coated leaning post with a cooler underneath, 3 nice cup holders, flip down thigh rise seating, so you can lean against it or you can sit on it, just depends on what you want to do. It's very nice either way. A foothold underneath the helm, comfortable seating either way. Nice stainless steel Lumar steering wheel. Room for any electronics that you might want to add on the dash here. Lenco trim tabs, keep the boat nice and level. This boat has the new ergonomic shifter. It's very great, short throw, different stations you can control. Tells you when you're in neutral, up and down. Of course, it has your trim indicators here. And then a Fusion Bluetooth stereo, satellite compatible as well. And this is the new screen for any of your switches. They're all waterproof, touch off and on. They light up when the batteries are turned on, of course. And then you have your connectivity over here. You have USB 12 volt, and then a Bluetooth, or actually a plug-in for your, if you're direct lining a phone to your radio for music. In the console with a lockable door, you have your battery switch and your reset fuses. Your batteries are also stored here against the back side of the helm. So there's plenty of room in there to put a porta potty if needed. So all nice, clean and finished. This particular model has the D-shaped T-top legs, which is a Scout patented item. Very nice quality. Extra handholds, and then a net here to keep any small items. Most people use it for life jackets, and then rod holders across the back of the hardtop with LED lights as well. So it really looks good. Up forward, you have 2 additional speakers for the forward, removable backrest, and up here you have storage, 3 storage boxes. These open up. There's plenty of room to access the anchor and rode, which is accessible from here as well with your tie off and your anchor hold. 2 cup holders up forward. Nice to have your drink here while you're sitting. Plenty of room up here when you're putting the anchor out, and a nice stainless steel cleat. Then this great feature, this forward lounge with stationary armrests, good padding all around. And this can be a fish box or a cooler, storage, whatever you want to make it. Has a gas assisted shock. It's finished fiberglass on both sides. So this boat really does a good job for entertaining, fishing near shore, offshore, and with the 150, the fuel economy is really great. So once again, 2021 Scout 215 XSF, great boat for the family and fishing, and really has a lot of options to keep you happy on the water. So give us a call, MarineMax Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thank you.